Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to Tech Custom. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5A. As you can see, this is the Redmi 5A Raiva. As you can see, you will get the Android version 11 in this ROM. Today we will review this ROM. This ROM is Superior OS. As you can see, Raiva device code name, Android version. This is the latest Android 11 patch. Android version available for Redmi 5A in this ROM Superior OS. As you can see, we will check all the features of this ROM. What are the features and the bugs of this ROM? All the bugs will be written in the description, so you must check the description also. As you can see, April security build date. As you can see, Triton kernel is installed in this ROM. Let's check other features of this ROM. Here you can see you will get the superior goodies. This is the extra features available in this Superior OS ROM, and the Geo is inserted in this ROM in our device. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine without any problem, and HD is also working. I have already tested this, so don't worry. And the mic, speaker, everything is working perfectly fine without any problem. And here is the superior extra features. Here is the status bar features. As you can see, Volt is working right now. It is showing correctly without any problem. You can customize the status bar according to your use, whichever items you want. You can show 4G instead of LTE is also available. If you want 4G instead of LTE, you can use it. Display volt icon. If the volt icon is not coming in your device, you can simply enable from it. As you can see, HDF icon, you can choose whichever icon you want. So there is some problem in the icon, it disappears automatically. EMUI is also available. As you can see, it is not working. Some of the icons are not working, disappears automatically. And volt icon, battery percentage inside is also available. You can check it according to your use. Here the quick settings. Here these are the quick settings. You can customize it according to your use. There are many features. Quick pull down, battery percentage enabled. As you can see, battery percentage is enabled in this ROM. In this QS styles, as you can see, 24% battery remaining. We will also check the battery performance. How is the battery performance of this ROM? Quick pull down is also available. All the features are working. Brightness is working. You can adjust the brightness, reading modes, each and every features are working. Disable keys, if you want to disable the keys, you can disable it. As you can see, it is not working right now. And here is the navigation bar. If you want to enable the on-screen navigation bar, you can enable it whichever you want. You can adjust it according to your use. If it is not working, if your hardware buttons are not working, you can enable it. Gestures, here are some of the gestures. Double tap to sleep on the status bar, double tap to sleep on the lock screen. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine. Double tap is also working. Let me show you. Double tap to sleep, that is double tap to sleep on the lock screen. Double tap. As you can see, it is working perfectly. And the notification light is working. No problem in the charging. You can enable the charging, and our PC is and our device is detecting in the PC storage via USB. And here is the lock screen. Here are the some information. And lock screen charging info. Charging speed is good. No problem in the charging speed. And the power menu. Here is the power menu. You can adjust it according to your whichever you want. Lock down settings, screen record, screenshot, whichever you want on the power menu. Here is the power menu. As you can see, you can enable it whichever you want. You can check it according to your use. And here is the notification, vibration on connect, notification light, charging light. All the features are working perfectly fine. And let's check whether the face unlock is available or not. As you can see, face unlock is available in this ROM. Let's check the speed of the face unlock. How fast is the speed of our face unlock in Superior OS? Let me apply. So as you can see, I have successfully applied the lock screen script lock screen. After unlocking, go to the home screen or the last. As you can see, now let's check the speed. As you can see, opening speed is good in this ROM. There is no problem in the face unlock speed right now. Camera is coming between face, so that's why it is a little bit slow. Else face unlock speed is very good in this ROM. So you can install this ROM for daily usage also. I recommend this ROM, and I will not test the Call of Duty performance of this ROM. And if we talk about the open gaps is not included in this ROM, so you have to flash the open gaps or bit gaps. I recommend the bit gaps, and the nick gaps you can flash it. All the link will be in the description, so you must check the description. And Google account you can easily log in. And our device is certified, Play Store is certified, so don't worry. And now let's check the safety net, whether it is passed or not. And Bluetooth hotspot, each and every features are working perfectly fine without any problem. So you must check other features according to your use, but I have already tested, so don't worry, there is no problem. Volt is working, call is working, mic is working, each and every feature is working. Safety net is passed in this ROM, so don't worry. Right now internet is very slow because I have already used. So as you can see, Redmi 5A passed. Safety net is passed successfully. And let's check the AnTuTu benchmark score. What is the score of the AnTuTu benchmark? As you can see, 62,183 score. Here you can see CPU performance. Here is the CPU performance and the GPU performance 1475. Here is the memory US data processing speed. And the battery performance of this ROM is good. As you can see, 0.6 increase in the temperature and highest is 35.8 and 3% drop in the battery. So battery performance is good but not better than Android 10. Android 11 battery is little low than Android 10 ROMs. If you enable all the features, all the icons, all the features which are available in this ROM, the battery performance of this ROM will decrease. So enable it according to your use, and the sound is also working perfectly fine without any problem. And as you can see, SD card is also working perfectly fine. 4GB 8.52 MB used out of 4GB. As you can see, it is working perfectly fine without any problem. So these are the applications installed in this ROM. Camera is working perfectly fine. There is no problem in the camera. Torch is working. As you can see, I will show you. Torch flashlight is working perfectly fine without any problem. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates. I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.